Hi there and welcome to BT. Today I want to talk about Canva, canva.com. You can subscribe to them and also you can join the website by adding in your name and details. Basically, if you're an artist or a designer that wants to create your own artwork for t-shirts or print on demand products, Canva is an excellent design platform that you can use to very quickly, easily make amazing designs. So, for example, I want to put a design on a t-shirt. So after signing in and basically registering with Canva, you can begin with creating your own design. So here's the create a design button. Just clicking on that, and I want to create a design for a t-shirt. Or this design can also go on to other products like cups or duvets, bedspreads, comforters, things like that. So let's say, for example, I want something for a girl, and I might put a pink background. That looks quite nice. And some of these pictures here are for free, and depending on the subscription that you've bought with Canva, it will give you access to many other pictures for free as well. So I want to put a heading, and I also want to have a style of writing as well. There's different styles here that you can use that have already been pre-made, and you can use those. Let's go here. Okay, just by clicking on here, we can actually enlarge that. Seems to me that we've got two different. We only need one. I'll get rid of that. Okay. We'll center that. It's actually really nice. You can change the color of the writing, and by doing that you can just highlight it and change the color to any color that you want. Let's go for a blue. Let's click out of that and see what it looks like. So at the moment it says a gift for you. A gift just for you. I actually really liked the black colour, to be honest. So we're going to change that back to black. You know, this is actually quite a nice gift card design. You can put your designs onto cards and things like that. I use Society6 and Redbubble as my platforms to sell my designs on. And let's have a look here. Let's add in some really pretty flowers. That's nice. A rose, that's for free. And that's scented. And you can also turn it slightly just by using the axle there, and you can take the actual wording up a bit more. And let's bring that up a wee bit more as well, and we might enlarge that. That's really nice, and I think what I might do is just enlarge let's just center it a bit more, and let's change the size of that. So instead of it being at 51, we'll take it to about 64. That looks a lot better. I think that looks quite nice. And there we are. And the beauty of this platform is that it gives you the option of also downloading it as well. So we just click up there and download the picture. You can have it in PNG format or JPG. I'm just going to download it as a JPG. If you're a premium member of Canva, it does give you the option of enlarging your picture. But for now I'm quite happy with the size that it's at. So that's 1556 pixels times 2000 pixels. So we can download that. Also, if you want to join Canva, then I've placed a link down below in the description box underneath the YouTube video itself. So if you'd like to join Canva, then just simply click on the link below. Sign up to Canva and just start making your own wonderful, amazing designs. I don't think you'll be unhappy about your choice, and I think you'll be very happy about the outcome that you can do with this design software. It's really amazing. I highly recommend it. I love Canva. It's amazing. It's awesome. So yeah, go to. Have fun. And there we are. I've downloaded it into my download file. So if you want to create your own designs and put them onto different products like t-shirts, cushions, cards, art prints, canvases and things like that, I really highly recommend Canva. It's an excellent website and platform for designers, and amazingly it's extremely easy to use. If you're not computer savvy or you're not up with knowing how to work a computer or websites really well, I would highly recommend Canva. It's really easy. You can put in different coloured backgrounds. You can even add photos. They've also got pre-made templates for you to use. Elements, let's go here. Elements, they've got more elements here that you can simply click on and drag and drop onto the picture. You can make your own videos and also add to your videos, selected music that you want to upload, or they've even got music that has been pre-uploaded onto the actual website as well. So for all of those artists and wonderful designers out there that want to do print on demand and need to look for a really good website to create their artwork on, I would highly recommend Canva. It's awesome. I've been using it now for quite some time. They have a lot of pictures and elements there for free. There's lots of different applications on here, pictures, all sorts that are for free. There's other ones that you will have to purchase, and yeah, I really love Canva. And as I mentioned before, you can just add your amazing artwork onto Redbubble, Society6, Zazzle, Teespring, anything like that. So like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be uploading more videos for those who want to know how to earn money online. This is a really cool way to earn money by designing, doing simple artwork. I mean, look at that, and I'm pretty sure that somebody would look at that and literally buy it. It looks great, it looks professional, it looks tidy. The colours that you can use are great. I haven't had any problems with Canva. So yeah, to all of those people that want to learn how to make money online, print on demand is excellent for you. And thanks very much for viewing my YouTube channel, and hope to see you on the next video. Bye.